When is the best time to start planting tomatoes? We know you like those tomatoes,
Oh, yes,
right?
yes.
Ah,
Well, if you're going to go normal conventional here in the Mid-South,
okay.
okay, I always just use tax day,
Okay.
which is, traditionally it's been like, April 15th, April 17th, something like
Right.
that. But you need to know your frost dates, the chance of when it's greater to have a frost up until it's chance to have a greater frost in your particular area where you live.
Right.
Again, here in the Mid-South, that's April 15th, particularly here in Memphis. That's the time you can start planting.
Okay.
As far as putting them in the ground out there in the field or out there in the garden. Now, you may also, with that, every now and then you might have to go out there and put a bucket or something over them if you hear the weatherman say or the weather person say, there might be a frost tonight or whatever. But typically, here in the Mid-South, after tax time.
After tax time.
Yes, and taxes will always be here. So,
So that date is going to be there somewhere.
that's a
around
good
there.
date, yes,
Right.
yes.
It's going to be there. But let's go back to your 5-gallon buckets for a second.
Yes.
A lot of folks were anxious early this year to put out the vegetables.
Yes,
If they're doing that in 5-gallon buckets, guess what they can do?
just bring them in. Yes,
Bring them in. Right? And you just wait till that threat of frost passes,
right.
take them back out. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.